Yo, what's up YouTube, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video we're gonna be cooking up for Ski Mask. Just shop some new pictures, so I'm just gonna make some concept covers, and yeah, let's get into it. So first of all, I need to get upscale again because, you know, reset my PC. Alright, so the color I want to go for this is maybe like a red or a purple. Let me view large icons. So I'm gonna go with this one first. Just bring this one in, and we're gonna use AI fill to actually expand this. And I'll probably go and I'm just gonna smart object this, go to filter, neural filter. Hopefully it doesn't crash on me. We should be good though. So I don't want that. I want colorize, please. Color transfer. No. I mean, it's alright, it's decent. Mainly just a skin though, like there should be a way to get rid of some parts, but like it doesn't really matter. Anyways, so I do have an idea that I want to do. So for the red kind of color I want to go for, we're just gonna do this. Put the red over here, like that. Yo, I low-key fuck with this like look right here. And then you turn this off, bruh. Yeah, this look-key nice, but like I ain't trying to do all that. How do I get rid of this, like this thing? I want it to be black and white with kind of red accents. So I'm just trying to figure out how I would do that. I'm trying to figure out the best way to actually implement that. So yeah, I'll just tap around with a red brush and kind of just put it to hue, and I don't think that'll do much, to be honest. No. I mean, yeah, we could just do this, like go around his head. Kind of do like kind of lights. I kind of messed with this already, I'm not gonna lie. If we just have like black and white, full black and white, maybe just his face. We could have red, just to kind of, you know, expand on the color. That's just the color that I'm feeling from the album, to be honest. Or what if I did like one half of his face versus red, then the other half is look, he messed with it. I'm just trying to figure out, like, I kind of fuck with this. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of fuck with this. I don't know if I want to do the red hair. I'm not really sure. I think I'm gonna leave it. But I'm definitely just get in these areas here. Just kind of keep it red. So I could also, you know, change color as well. So I might try a purple maybe too. Bring saturation down a bit. Alright, I mean, I'm gonna just go with red for now. And we're just gonna do some adjustments here, so the curves. Brightness, contrast. Vibrance, kind of bring it down. Exposure. Just get rid of these two, or just get rid of the brightness contrast. Yeah. So I'm gonna just merge these two, and yeah. Really like this. I really like the whole black and white and the hue look, and then even the background where it's black and then white. We could try and experiment with just a white background. Now I kind of fuck with the black and white though, not gonna lie. This is clean as hell. So I'm gonna just get my free pack up. And yeah, I probably fucking deleted it, can't lie. Let's go. How sad. So I'm gonna try this out. I'm not really sure how this will look here. It might not even like work. But you just gotta see, you just gotta try it out and see. So yeah, it doesn't really work. I'm gonna get the brightness and contrast back. I'm gonna bring the contrast up. Maybe bring the brightness down or up. I'm gonna just get a solid color. We're just gonna get a noise. Put the gauge or put the uniform monochromatic 50. So I'm just trying to find like a nice way I can put this. I think this is really nice. Yeah, I really like this. This is just a really good picture, and I really like the concept and the execution, of course. This is really nice to me personally, and yeah, I think this is hard. I'm just get the print advisory, finish this bitch off, put that bitch there, bring this all the way up. You want to make sure that's on top of everything. So yeah, that's basically all it is. I'm gonna definitely use my own presets to kind of just I don't even have my own presets. I reset my PC, bruh. So I kind of like this one. Kind of just makes it more dark. Only thing I don't like is it's getting rid of a lot of the red. So hopefully there's something that, you know. Yeah, I like this darken. Yeah, I like that a lot. Bring the fill down a little bit.